special episode because I am with Miami Culinary Tours and we are going to take a Little Havana food and culture tour. I am really excited for this because I am starving. I haven't eaten all day just waiting for this. The first stop is El Pub Restaurant, which has been open for 30 years.
Coffee person.
Wow.
$1, cacahuete, pina, organic pina, no químico, $1.
He's been doing this for 51 years, since he was a little boy in Cuba. And this road actually goes through the Everglades National Park. So it's a really long road. You'll see stars of people not only from Cuba, but from Mexico, from Spain, from all over, artists, musicians, singers. Mr. Pedro is the founder of this location. That's actually a photograph of him. Over 20 years, it comes rolling to 100 cigars a day. The oldest building in Little Havana. It was built in 1926.
We just got to Ball and Chain, which is the second oldest building here in Little Havana on the Calle Ocho, which is the 8th Street. And I was just given a mojito. This is a virgin mojito because I actually don't drink alcohol. And I'm the only one in the tour who got the virgin one.
Their food is amazing.
We just sat down at Old Havana Restaurant and we are about to have some Cuban sandwiches.
These are very hot, very delicate. Sandwich Cubano. Done by local Miami artists actually, and actually they're women, female artists. Gracias. Welcome everyone. The lovely pastelito de guava. People will know you've had a pastelito based on like the crumbs that it leaves all over your shirt.
This place where we are about to have some juice, but I am so full already. That sandwich was really, really good.
So the juice is called guarapo. The machine is the guarapera. It has these two metal wheels that rotate. When you pass the sugarcane through it, it squeezes out all the juice from the sugarcane. This tree is actually native to Africa. known as a Yisell Bakery. It is used for people that practice santeria.
That drink I just had is actually made out of sugarcane, so it is extremely sweet, but I love it. It's really, really refreshing. And we are actually on our way to go get some ice cream, so more sugar.
Here, you won't find this ice cream anywhere else.
These are all guayaberas. Let's see. Look at that. That's it. That's the end of the Little Havana food and culture tour, which was organized by Miami Culinary Tours. It was extremely well organized and it was really fun. We ate a lot, we drank a lot, we walked a lot, and it was an awesome time. I was really happy that I was able to do this, even though that I grew up in Miami. I never really spent enough time on Calle Ocho and Little Havana, so it was a really interesting experience for me. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you ever find yourself in Miami, then you should definitely check out Miami Culinary Tours. They have a lot of other different tours. I decided to do the Little Havana one because I thought that it would be the most interesting just because of my history and being Cuban. And of course I wanted to share that with you. So if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up to let me know. And be sure to subscribe and follow me everywhere. I am at REDROMINA. For now, I'm gonna go. So I will see you when I see you. Bye! This video was made possible by my patrons over at patreon.com/REDROMINA. If you like what I do, become a patron and be a part of the exploration.